Ho ho! Well, how is it looking, old boy?
Well, we've searched all around and we can't diagnose the problem. We think we might know what it is, but we just can't confirm. I don't think it will be ready for you to take to Australia this Christmas.
Oh, dearie me! What am I going to do? Oh, I suppose I'll have to find another engine to use this Christmas in Australia.
Thank you, kids. Now, if I could have your attention, please. Santa would like to make an announcement.
Thank you, Mr. Flinders. Attention, children. I am going to need some helpers this year to help me buy the presents on Christmas Eve. Write down your name on a piece of paper and put it in the box. I can only pick a few of you. And remember, you have to have been good this year. I'll not pick anyone who has been naughty. Thank you very much.
Should I go for it, Dad?
Yes, go for it, son.
By Christmas Eve, the Christmas train was ready to go, and it was a beautiful steam locomotive, and it wore a Santa special headboard. The selected kids lined up and boarded one of the two carriages, and Santa climbed up onto the footplate of the locomotive. It was then time to depart. The train travelled around the railway of Australia, and it would stop every here and then to go to certain different shops, and the presents would be wrapped and loaded onto the train. The day was a very long one. There were loads of stations still to visit, and the train just about was bursting full of presents. But then on the way back to the station to drop off the kids, the locomotive slowed down and came to a stop. Santa had tried opening the regulator more, and he even tried adjusting the reverser. But it was no good. The train just stayed still.
Oh ho ho, no, not again. Oh, this railway must be a bad luck symbol for me.
Santa moaned. For the rest of the afternoon, the kids got out of the carriage and they started speaking to themselves and about the broken down train. They wondered what might happen on Christmas Day. It was nearly midnight. All the kids had been sent home. There was no trains to ask for help, nobody. Santa just decided to lay beside the locomotive and have a pot of beer. Then he heard a familiar sound coming closer and closer and closer to him. It was no doubt his elf with the ute.
Saw you were in trouble, sir, so I brought the ute. We can tow the train using the magical power, and we deliver the presents.
Oh ho ho, thank you. What will I ever do without you? Well, we better get the ute into position, 'cause we've got to go now, I'm afraid.
So the ute was coupled up to the train, and before long they were delivering the presents.
Dashing through the bush in a rusty Holden Ute, kicking up the dust, Esky in the boot, Kelpie by my side, singing Christmas songs. It's summertime and I am in my singlet, shorts and thongs. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Christmas in Australia on a scorching summer's day. Hey! Jingle bells, Christmas time is beaut. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a rusty Holden Ute. Engine's getting hot, dodge the kangaroos. Swaggy climbs aboard, he is welcome too. I said, oh, what fun it is to ride in a rusty Holden